Okay, back at the boat engine, and another thing I just spotted. I've just took this off, which is the intake. You can see that. That's for your water intake to cool the engine. That's nice and clean. But I noticed the anode. This is the anode. I'll take that off now. And what that does, that attracts any salt to this instead of going and destroying your engine inside. So that has got to come out and be replaced. There's a bit of a difference with this one. I did free a little bit before. This is for video purposes. It's a bit of a mess. And that saves your engine. So you must check these. They're in different places on different. Anything bigger than this is a 10 horsepower 9.9. Anything bigger than this, and they have a little bigger plate with a bit more of a fin on it and stuff like that. Sure. Okay, we'll give that a clean. Put the new one in. So, but make sure you take your label off. Make sure it's nice and tight. That's it. And there you go. One anode replaced. Next thing we're going to do is I'm going to fit a couple of inspection hatches, not the ones we've got here because they're not watertight. First, we're going to fit a couple of rails to put rod hangers on. So these, this size, but I'm going to pop them probably along here, not far from the engine, and then we're going to put a couple of rails. I'll show you, this is the rails we're going to fit. These are big. Grab rails, they're going to be fitted as well. I'm just about to order these. They're only about £10 each, so but I want waterproof ones. Okay.